Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a commit on GitHub step by step. So first of all, you need to open GitHub and then sign in into your account first. Now over here, you need to simply open that particular repository where you want to save your changes. So over here, you will be shown the option of add files. So simply click on it. Then you can either upload the files if you are adding the new files, or you can also open any existing file and then click on the option of the edit right next to it. So currently I'm going to simply click on the option of create new file. So when the editor opens in front of you, you need to simply first of all give it a name. So after giving it a name, you just have to start making changes into it. So over here you need to basically in the editor simply start adding all of the changes. So once you are done with it, you are going to see the option of commit changes option on the top right hand corner of the screen. So you just have to simply click on that, then write a commit message. In the extended description, you just have to also add any description if you want. So once you are done with it, simply click on the option of commit changes in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. This way GitHub is going to create a new commit containing all of your changes. You can also view it by opening the repositories commit section, where you will see the commit messages, the author, the date, and the file changes. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.